I've already washed and cleaned my goat meat. If you're wondering, this is 5 pounds of goat meat. Now I'm going to go ahead and season the meat. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Jamaican jerk seasoning. You know, the seasoning with the pimento seed, the crushed red pepper flakes, and all of that good stuff. This season, if you're wondering, this is the season that I'm using. 1 tablespoon of Maggie all-purpose seasoning. Can't leave out the Scotch Bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Ram It Up curry goat booster. You don't have to add it, but I'm gonna try it out. So I'm in Jamaica, and I said, let me just try it to see if it will boost up the flavor some more. You know, I just want to try it out. So I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of it. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, curry powder, some green seasoning, to be honest, you can go straight ahead and cook this right now, but I'm gonna let this marinate for at least an hour. But you can go straight ahead and cook this if you'd like. I'm also gonna make some fried Cornish hen. Let's prepare it. So you're just taking out the backbone. And if you want to buy this knife, the link is in the bio. So we're gonna wash the chicken and come back to seasoning. 1 tablespoon of Maggie all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Gonna add some of the Scotch Bonnet pepper. That's optional. Teaspoon of smoked paprika. Allow to marinate. To my Dutch pot, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of curry powder, 3 cloves of garlic, ginger, pimento berries into the pot. After 10 minutes, this is after 10 minutes, and I didn't add any water to it, no liquid. This is what you want. You want the meat to produce its own juice. Look at this. Nice and saucy. Smells so damn good. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to the pot. Just add enough water to it so it have enough liquid to cook. Turn the heat on medium high if it wasn't already on medium high, and leave this to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we come back to add the fresh seasonings to it. After 45 minutes, the goat is halfway cooked already. There's no way you could be cooking this in Jamaica, and it takes like 45 minutes to already halfway cook the meat. Your gas would have already finished. Your gas would have done already. Or if you now use pressure cooker pot. Now I'm gonna add the fresh seasoning to it. 1 onion chopped, sweet pepper or bell pepper, fresh garlic, 1 medium potato, 1 medium potato, scallion and thyme, 1 pepper, now you want to go ahead and give it a taste. This is good for me. I'm not going to add anything to it. You also can add some white rum to it. I'm not going to add any to this. I'm not going to add any to it this time. I usually do, but not today. Now I'm going to cook this until the meat is tender. And here you have it, guys. The meat is soft and tender. This is how I make my Jamaican curry goat. Overall, I think this curry goat took me at least 2 hours to cook. Smells so good. And I have enough gravy, because everybody like curry gravy, right? Everybody like good gravy on them food, especially with fried chicken. So we have to make sure I have enough gravy. Add salt to taste to 2 cups of water. 3 cloves of garlic. Pimento berries. I'm using canned gungo today. I'm using 1 can of gungo peas. 1 can of coconut milk. Scallion and thyme. Scotch bonnet pepper and sweet pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Cover for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna add my washed rice. Cover it to cook for 15 to 30 minutes. Gungo rice and peas finished, nice and chilly. Almost time for it. I'm gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, black pepper. Combine. Shake off the excess, then you're gonna repeat the step. On a medium high heat, you want the oil to be at a temperature at 350 degrees. Frying for 12 minutes. Look at this beautiful color, nice and crispy, smelling delicious. Look at the color. So beautiful. So 6 minutes on one side and 6 minutes on the other side. And here you have it, guys. This is how I make everything. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave me a comment down below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Look at this juicy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.